Hey everybody, dear friends. We just planted these tomato plants a couple of weeks ago and they're doing pretty well. It's the last week of October, so we're gonna see what these tomatoes do. We're here in Central Florida. So they should do pretty well. We shouldn't have a cold front come through until around January or late December. So we'll see what these tomatoes do. This is our fall garden. Here we have collards. They're doing pretty well. Looking pretty good there. Over here we have collards and tomatoes. These tomatoes are doing great. I guess I need to fertilize them. Tomatoes in this container here. We have tomato plants here, and we just found out the other day, I thought that when we put this high rise here that I had drilled holes in the bottom, but I realized that the hole that was in here already had got covered up and the water wasn't draining in this high rise. So last week I drilled holes in them. So make sure you drill holes in your high rise. But the plants seems to be coming up right now, but it wasn't draining properly. This banana tree here, planted that this summer. It's doing pretty well. Got a baby banana plant here coming up. Now I'm gonna take you. We planted tomatoes here as well a couple of weeks ago, but this pot here is in the shade. Sometimes it gets so hot during the day, but I'll probably drag it out into the sun so it can get more sun. And in the back here, we did plant black-eyed peas. Got two of those popping up. And here we planted some bell peppers a couple weeks ago. We still have bell peppers here from last spring. So they're doing well. We have bell peppers here from last spring. I think we planted these last February. So they've been producing bell peppers all summer long. So we're just gonna leave them here and see what they're gonna do. As long as we don't get a cold front, they should be okay. They've been producing all summer long. And we planted more bell peppers along the fence line here. So hopefully they'll do as well as this one. Produce this winter and through the spring and summer. We have also some peppers in this pot. In all these little pots we have peppers. More tomato plants over here. Collard greens right here in this pot. Been getting some rain lately, so we need and getting rain today, most of today. Matter of fact, it's thundering now. You got mustard greens here. Mustard greens in this containers. And over here you have collard greens. Good. Okay. And these plants here are passion fruits. This is a passion fruit plant. But you got to be careful with those. This type, this is banana passion fruit we planted this summer, and these things the vines just grow everywhere if you allow them to. So we're going to see what they do here in Central Florida, but I've been cutting them back because I don't like the vines growing everywhere. I had about 14 plants, but if you get one of these plants here, this banana passion fruit, that's all you need is one plant, because you're going to have more than enough. You give many to your neighbors, because this stuff here, now over here on the fence line we have more passion fruit from our neighbor, and those are great. See, they're producing now, and Aquila just loves them. I just got her some today. Now this plant here, this is a dragon fruit plant right here. Dragon fruit. It's a yellow type, and they're very expensive here in Central Florida, but they're really great, good for your health, and they taste really good and good for fiber in your diet. If you need more fiber, get some dragon fruit. And I just cut about 8 pieces off the last week. So if you just buy one plant, you can actually begin to cut pieces off, and you have many pieces, and you can replant those in a pot and later put them in the ground. I'm going to show you the passion fruit that I just got. Put them on the porch, getting ready to rain. Now these are passion fruit. We wait until they fall on the ground. I don't know if you can see those or not, but this is passion fruit. My neighbor across the fence plant those, and Aquila enjoy eating these. Very tasty and good for your health. So I just picked 5 off the ground, and they'll be producing, I say, for the next 2 months. And there's many on the tree on the vines this year. You can look over and see through that vine over there, how they're hanging on the fence. That's passion fruit. I didn't know what they was at first until my neighbor. I didn't know there was poison when I first saw them. I used to just throw them away. As I cut the grass, I throw them away. And until my neighbor came over one day and said, "Hey, how you enjoy the passion fruit?" I said, "What passion fruit?" She said, "These are the passion fruit." I said, "Oh, I didn't know there was passion fruit. I didn't know, I didn't know what it was, so I didn't, until she told me." So it's passion fruit, and those are very tasty. Now here you have dragonfly, which I just showed you the plant outside. This is dragonfly. So of that one plant there, I bought this last summer at Home Depot. So we got, of that one plant, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 more plants of that one plant, and I'm going to put these in pots. I just cut them off. They're ready to be put in pots now. I'll probably put them in pots tomorrow. So you got 8, I got 8 more plants of that one plant I purchased from Home Depot a few months ago. So, and these are very extremely expensive, okay, in the store. And they are larger than a passion fruit, maybe twice the size as those passion fruit there. But this is good for fiber in your diet and many other things. Very good, very healthy plant, good for you, and that's why they're very expensive. And this is the yellow type. This is the expensive type here. Okay, so this is dragon fruit. Well, I just wanted to do another video here. We already have begun the progress of work out there on the property. We're going to show you some pictures really soon of the property in Basson Park. I would say it's about 64 miles from Orlando. So we have about 9 acres down there, and so we're working on the name of the community garden is Lily of the Valley Community Garden, and we're going to take you along with us as we progress out there. We're working on some things now, and we have some videos coming up, so keep watch. And if you're in the area, maybe one day you can come out. If you're really in the area nearby, maybe you can come out and get you a plot and grow some vegetables. We're going to have many fruit trees, different kinds of fruit trees out there. I'm sweating. Really, there's a hurricane not too far from here. It's going by as I speak, and near Jamaica and Haiti, Cuba, Dominican Republic. I forgot the name of the hurricane, but it's going by. I think today is October the 27th, right? So we're praying for those people that they're protected. But there's I think it's a Cat 5 going through right now. So maybe that's why I'm sweating. It's been cloudy all day, thundering right now, and lightning, raining every now and then. But it's so far away from here, we won't get any of it. But there's a cold front coming down that's going to cause that hurricane to just speed up a little to get on out the way. So it won't harm all those people down there. Well, anyway, that's all we have to say for today. Make sure you getting something out these videos, like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing some great things in the Lily of the Valley Community Garden. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.